Welcome back to Study Estonian with us. In the country section, you will first learn some country names in Estonian language. After that, we will also see how to say that you live somewhere. And then finally, you will learn how to say that you are from some country. So let's see some country names. As we cannot go through all the countries of the world, we will focus only on one region, which is Europe. So let's have a look at the map. Most of the country names are similar to the country names in many other languages, and therefore they are easy to remember. For example, Hispaania, Italia, Belgia, Ukraine, and many others. However, some country names are quite different. For example, Sweden is Rootsi, Finland, Soome, and also Prantsusmaa, Saksamaa, and Venemaa. Also, you can see that some of the countries have maa in the end. Maa means land. So, for example, Ireland is Iirimaa, but also then Prantsusmaa, Saksamaa, and Venemaa. So here you can see most of the European countries again. You can pause it and try to memorize them before we move on to the revision part. Now my question is, mis riik see on? This means what country this is. To answer to this question, you should say see on and the country name. See on means this is. Mis riik see on? See on Itaalia. See on Suurbritannia. See on Soome. See on Saksamaa. I hope you have learned some country names in Estonian. In the next video, I will show you how do you say in which country do you live. Thank you for watching. Aitäh! And head aega!